hat away. Got used to? Here's that letter for you. Marcus, give him your phone number. He wants your phone number. Here's your canteen. Don't worry about it. All right, when you get yourself ready, we're going to sit down for a second. Hey, Big Bird, what's the matter?
Oh, I'll tell you what's the matter. When I left Sesame Street to come to camp, I felt sad because I was leaving home. But then when I got to camp, I started to feel happy because it was fun. But now we're leaving, and I feel sad again. But I'm kind of happy thinking I'll be home. I'm sad, then I'm happy, sad, happy. What's wrong with me, Nicky?
Nothing. Everything you're feeling is okay. It's natural.
It is? Really?
It is. Really.
Well, I'm kind of happy you told me that because I'm still kind of sad. But because when I get home, you know, you're not going to be here anymore with me to help me. But then I'm kind of happy thinking that I'm... And then I think
Attention, cabin 10! All campers up front for the cabin picture!
A cabin picture?
Cabin picture. Come on, Big Bird.
Oh,
come on.
That'll be good.
Come on, guys. Cabin picture. Come on, get up here. Come on, pull in.
Okay. Okay, everybody ready? Everybody ready? Aunt May is going to turn this timer on, and then I'm going to get into the picture with you. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, boy. I'm going to have a picture of me with everybody.
Come on, tighten in.
Smile!
Andy?
Wait a minute. Where's Rusty?
Rusty, where are you?
All right. I'll be in the picture. Sure. You want me to be in the picture? I'll be in the picture.
Okay? Okay, campers! Look sharp!
Come on, look sharp. Straighten up.
Whoops. I'm afraid you weren't in the picture, Annie Mae.
I know, Big Bird. I know. Oh, okay, campers. What we have here is a film crisis. We only have one shot left, so this better be good, okay?
Come on, one shot left. Make sure you're on the flip. All right.
Careful, That's gonna mess this one up. Gee, look at that cloud up there. Looks just like a birthday cake. Look up there.
I say, I have a smashing idea. I'll scratch your back if you'll scratch mine. Remarkable! I was going to say the very same thing.
And they're off. There they go, chasing him. He goes over the wall, over the donkey. They go over the wall. He goes over their heads and over whatever that is. They go over whatever that is. He goes over the pig pen, and they don't make it. He goes over the wagon. And you know what? It's all over.
Boy, Sully, there's nothing like a nice cold sarsaparilla after a hard day's work. Huh? Right. You betcha. Hey, look who's here, Sully. Hey, come on over. How you doing? Nice to see you. Yeah, it's just, having a sarsaparilla with my friend Sully here. Yeah, we was talking about how today at work he had all the guys in stitches there doing the alphabet. Remember that, Sully? Huh? You remember that? Yeah, sure, he remembers. Boy, you had him on the floor. It's really funny. Hey, Sully, go ahead. Do a little bit of it. Do it for our friends here, huh? Come on, yeah, go ahead. Come on. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah, right. I love that part. That's the way it starts out. There, go on. Give him the rest of it. Yeah. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yeah, isn't that great? Huh? Go on, Sully. He's waiting. Go ahead. Go on. Q, R, S, T, U, V. Isn't that great? That's just fantastic. Now, give him this is the best part here. This is the best part. Yeah, the last part. Go ahead, Sully. Go on. Go on. WXYZ. Yeah, I love that part. That's fantastic. Hey, yeah. Let's have a ritual for my friend here. Yeah, come on. What's the matter, Sully? Hey. Well, I mean, you don't have to feel that way about it. Well, I know, but after all, they don't care.
Okay, give me a 5. I want a 5.
You want a 5?
Terrific, man. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, come on, that's right. Let's turn it around. Yeah, that's it. That's right.
Pretty good, huh?
¿Qué es esto? Un cuadrado. ¿Y qué es esto? Un círculo. ¿Y esto? Un triángulo. ¿Y qué es esto? Un rectángulo. Cuadrado, círculo, triángulo, rectángulo.
No, I don't get that.
Oh, yeah.
No, I don't get that. No, I don't get that. Oh. Oh. Up. 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 Pop. Pop. Pop! Yeah! Pop! Oh, I got some right there. Pop! What? Ooh.
What is it?
Wow! Wow!
What do we do?
Okay. Oh!
Wait.
Oh, what are you doing?
One more.
Oh!
Now, wait.
Pop.
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 Rusty, what are you doing here? Aunt May's going to give out the awards now. Don't you want to go?
Nah, who wants to watch somebody give out awards?
Oh, come
Big
on.
Bird, what's an award?
Well, an award is like a prize. They give it to kids who do things really good at camp. And then they have a ceremony and everything. Why, I might get one and you might get one too.
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, I won't get an award. No, I don't take awards, even when they're given to me.
Why not? if you get an award for something you did, you can feel proud.
Hey, I can feel proud without an award. I don't need an award to know that I did something good.
Yeah, but it would still be nice to get an award anyway, wouldn't it?
Nah. Awards don't mean nothing to me.
Well, I hope I get one. So come on, huh?
Oh, all right. If you want me to go to the awards with you, I'll go to the awards with you.
Okay, come on, let's get going.
The Echo Rock Most Organized Award goes to Al Hislop. The award for Best Letter Writer goes to Norman Stahl. The award for Best Nutrition goes to Joe Bailey. And now the Echo Rock Swimming Award goes to Big Bird.
Hey, I just hope I get one. Oh, I hope I get one. I hope I get one. I hope I get one.
Go strut your stuff. Go.
Big Bird. Big Bird. Yeah. Come on.
I get one. Oh, hey.
Hey, I slept in the tent with
I
him.
didn't know I'd get one.
You
Oh,
got
I was hoping I'd get one. And here I am. I got one. I'm going to get an award.
Gonna get an award. A big red gold award.
Oh, boy. Oh, wow, this is better than an Emmy. Oh, gosh.
And now, last but not least, the Camp Echo Rock Good Sport Award. This award goes to the camper who was asked to do things he really didn't want to do, but he did them anyway. The Camp Echo Rock Good Sport Award goes to Russell Edmund Wingate III.
Who's that?
I usually don't take awards, but if Aunt May wants to give me an award, sure, I'll take an award. That's the kind of guy I am. Yeah. Put it there. No, I don't take applause. No, never applause.
Now let's hear it for all the Camp Echo Rock Award winners. Hip, hip! Hooray! I can't hear ya! Hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip! Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Today's cast, in order of appearance, were the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Oh,
Ernie, there you are.
Hi
Where
there,
you been
Bert.
all this time?
Oh, I've been taking a bath in my tubby there, Bert.
Oh, yeah, I see.
But
yeah.
you know what? I don't know. There was something that I forgot to do, and I
Something you
don't know
forgot to
what
do.
it is. Yes.
Well, I'll try and help you remember.
Well, would you, Bert?
Yeah, let's see. Maybe you just took a bath, so maybe you forgot to wash behind your ears, right?
Oh no, Bert. I'm sure I washed behind my ears.
You did. Let's see.
Take a look.
Okay. Yeah,
Behind this ear?
That's good there. Let's see the other one.
Take a look behind this ear here.
Yeah, that's good too, Ernie. Yeah, you did that.
Yeah, I didn't. I washed behind my ears.
Yeah, let's see. What else could you have forgotten? Hey, you didn't wash your face, right?
Oh, no, I'm sure I washed my face. Take a
You
look at
did.
my face, Bert. See how
Okay.
shiny clean it is?
Yeah, it's pretty good, Ernie. Pretty good. Let's see, what else could you have forgotten? Your hands. You didn't wash your hands, right? Huh?
Oh, no, I
That's
washed
it?
my hands. See? See, look
Oh.
how clean they are, Bert. See?
Oh, yeah.
I washed my wrists, too, Bert.
Them too, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know what you could have... I know, Ernie. You didn't wash your neck. Sometimes we
Oh,
don't
no.
wash our necks, but that's okay.
I washed my neck, Bert. Take a look at my neck. See there?
You did, Ernie.
Yeah.
Gee,
I know
Ernie,
I washed my neck.
I wonder what you forgot.
I think I know what I forgot, Bert.
I do too.
I think I forgot to turn off the water, Bert. Oh, no.
Splash. Splash.
Splash!
Carrots. Potatoes. Lettuce. Turnips. Tomatoes. Cucumbers. Onions. Celery. Green beans.
Carrots. Potatoes. Lettuce. Turnips. Tomatoes. Cucumbers. Onions. Celery. Green beans. A, B, C, D,
E, F, G,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q,
R,
S, T, U,
V, W,
X, Y.
Z.
I guess that's all there is to be said.
I can do a headstand all by myself.
Look how high you've climbed. And you did it all by yourself. If I were you, I know I would be very proud of myself.
Yeah, I'm afraid so, Rusty. Yeah, it's not so bad. Really. All right. Oh, yeah, well, I don't like the...
Now hear this! Now hear this! Campers, this is it! This is goodbye! I want you to know you came in here a bunch of rockheads, but you're going out Echo Rockers! You know everything there is to know about camping, and I want you to know that
Goodbye, country, goodbye. Beautiful trees to climb all over, oodles of bees and lots of clover, living outdoors under a shining sky. Oh, country, goodbye, country, goodbye. Goodbye, country, goodbye. Mountains to climb and lakes to dip in, fireflies winking, raindrops dripping, catching a frog, watching a butterfly. Oh, country, goodbye, country, goodbye. Days when you lie and watch a cloud sail over. Nights when you count each star that's in the sky. Water is clearer, air is cleaner, heaven is nearer, grass is greener, living is sweet, sweet as a honeycomb. Oh, gee, country, I wish I could take you back home. Oh, gee, country, I wish I could take you back home.
Hey, Aunt May, one last shake?
How about another hug?
I want to ride on a railroad train. Please?
Okay. If you follow instructions, you can ride on the train. Draw a line from dot to dot. Good. Now draw a line from dot to dot. Good. Now draw a line from dot to dot. Dot to dot. Dot to dot. Dot to dot. And dot to dot. Good. Now stand back a little.
Train!
All aboard! Have a nice ride.
Let's sing a song of numbers, finally, to tell us how many friends we see.
Let's sing a song of numbers, fa-la-la-loo, to tell us how many friends are in view. Fa-la-la-loo, fa-la-la-lee,
This song's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now I'd use a 2 for you and you. Yes, that is what I do.
but we could use a 3. For you and me. Yes, let's use a 3 for you and me.
But what would you do if there were one more?
You and you and you.
And me make 4.
You
and you and you
and me
make 4.
But what if someone else should then arrive?
In that case, we would use a 5. If someone else like me should then arrive, you and you and you and you
And me
make 5. Fa-la-la-lee, fa-la-la-la.
From 5,
4 and 1.
Thank you very much.
And they're off. Tabby's in the lead. Fido's close behind. They're going around the house. Tabby's ahead by a tail. They're going through the house, and the fur is flying. Here we go again, around the house. This is some race, folks. At the fur turn, they're going through the house. Tabby's pulling out in front. They're going over the house. Ladies and gentlemen, Tabby is getting away, and that's the race. The winner in record time is... What's this? Fido is going under the house. Looks to me like this race has gone to the dogs.
Yes.
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 Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Everybody, listen up! Listen up! Forgetful! Huh, I got some real bad news.
That a fact. You seldom hear a discouraging word around these parts.
Well, I got two discouraging words. Bad Bart. That's right. He said he's gonna give somebody what they deserve, and he'll be here to give it when the cow moos 4 times.
Well, that's kind of unusual, ain't it? I mean, most folks ride into town at high noon, not when the cow moves 4.
Well, you know Bad Bart, a real individual, likes to do things his own way.
Well, listen, I think I hear something.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Let's get out of here.
Here, let me hide under the piano.
Hold it! Hold everything! That weren't no cow moo!
It was 4 times, wasn't it?
Well, for sure, but it weren't no cow moo. It were a train whistle. That's right.
Right.
Like I told you, Bad Bart's riding in here when the cow moos 4 times.
Listen, I hear something.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Let's run.
Hold it! Hold everything! Dang nabbit! Calm down! Something wrong with your ears? That were a dog. No use getting riled up and scared till we hear a cow moo. And a cow sounds something like this. Moo! You got that now?
Oh, wait, Clementine. Can I hear that again?
Oh, dag nabbit, Harriet! This is cattle country. You know what a cow sounds like.
Wait, listen.
Uh-oh, that's
1, 2, 3, 4.
Say, Clementine, were that a cow?
Yep. And did it move 4 times?
Yep. And is it okay to get scared and riled up now? Yep.
I'm here to give somebody what he deserves.
Oh.
The bartender. You remember the last time I was in here?
Yes, sir.
You remember I ordered a sarsaparilla and you didn't have any?
Yes?
You remember you rode to the next town to get some and kept me waiting?
Yes?
Good. Then you remember that I forgot to pay you. Here. Now, I gave you what you deserve.
Like I said, the man marches to the beat of a different drum. Woo!
Are you a smart dog? Yes. Can you bark? Yes. Do you have 4 feet? Yes. Are you strong? Yes. Can you wag your tail? Yes. Do you have 2 ears? Yes. Do you ever answer anything but yes? No.
Where can you take your seat to get a cat? Where can you feed your F till that gets fat? Where will your F become a welcome mat? Let me show you where it's at. Where can you wear your H just like a hat? Where will your B become a baseball bat? Where will your R turn out a dirty rat? Let me show you where it's at. Boom, letters A and T make the prettiest sound I've ever heard. Put a letter before them and you can see you've got at the end of your word. Let me show you where it's at. Where can I take my feet to name and pat? Guess where I took my S and it just sat. My song is over now and I'm glad that baby you know where it's at. You know where it's at. Here with my cat will not flat. That's where it's at.
And now we take you to Kermit the Frog for another fast-breaking news story.
Hey, Jeff, how's the wife? What? She's on camera? Oh, I'm on camera. Oh, hi there, Kermit the Frog of Sesame Street News, reporting to you today from the house of the 3 little pigs. And today we're expecting the big bad wolf to drop around. But first, Hark, I believe this is one of the 3 little pigs here. Pardon me, Pig. Excuse me. Can I ask you, Kermit the Frog of Sesame Street News? Can I ask you a question or two? For instance, could you tell me what this house is built of?
Straw.
Straw. Mhm.
Straw.
Yes. Well, could you tell us exactly why you built your house out of straw?
Because straw is light and easy to carry, and when we get hungry, we can nibble on a wall or two, even.
Well, don't you think it would have been better to build a house out of wood or bricks or something like that, in case somebody like I don't know, maybe a big bad wolf were to come along and huff and puff and blow the house down?
Blow this house down?
Yeah, well...
I worked 4 days on this house. This is a strong house.
Yeah, but...
Blow this house down?
Well,
blow this house down? I gotta tell the guys that's a good one.
Well,
Tis to laugh.
he seems to take the whole subject rather lightly, but hark, what do I see coming now?
I'm gonna cook you
It's a
for
large,
supper.
shaggy thing. Pardon me, but are you indeed the big bad wolf himself?
Oh, I am indeed.
Yeah, well, can you tell me exactly what you had in mind coming around here today?
Oh, yeah. Well, you see, this is where the three little pigs live.
True.
Yeah, and I got some business with them, because I'm going to make them an offer they can't refuse.
Yeah, well, do you mind if we from Sesame Street stand around to watch?
Okay, but you better stand back.
Okay, I'll just go right over here on this tree.
Little pig, open the door.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on just one second. Just a minute. There's a tradition here. The big bad wolf is supposed to say, little pig, let me come in.
Oh, yeah.
That's the line, right?
Right. Mm-hmm. Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin.
Somehow I thought he would say that.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
Stand by, folks. Here it comes. Wow. There he goes, folks. That wolf is huffing and puffing, and it's really quite a, good heavens, it's quite a breeze he's got going here. We'll see if he's able to blow the house down here. He's really blowing hard. You talk about a strong breath, folks. My heavens. Good grief. Remember you saw it here on Sesame Street, folks. Well, as you can see, folks, the house is still standing, and the wolf is still blowing, and so this is Kermit the Frog, and the wolf is now returning me to Sesame Street.
Look both ways before you cross the street. And always cross with someone from your family.
They're having a tortilla contest. Un concurso de tortillas. Está haciendo la masa. She's kneading the dough. Now they're rolling the dough. Ahora están aplastando la masa. You have to hurry to the stove. Then you cook the tortilla. Ahora están cocinando más. Ahora van a cocinar más.
6 pulgadas de largas, de grande. ¡Uy, están largas! Ya lo compuse. De redondas.
You put meat in the tortilla and make a taco. Están haciendo los tacos de tortillas. It's really delicious. I like them.
It's a snail.
Come in. Oh, hi there, Doctor. Gee, thank you very much for coming over.
Oh, sure thing, Ernie. Open your mouth.
Yeah, but you see, Doctor, I think
Ernie,
I should...
open your mouth.
Hmm?
Listen, Ernie, would you mind stepping over here into the light?
Oh,
yeah, just right down here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Right there. Fine. Let's see. Okay, close your mouth, Ernie.
Yes, but you see,
How
Doctor,
about your fingers?
What about my fingers?
Yeah, can you wiggle your fingers, Ernie?
Well, of course I can wiggle my fingers.
Yeah.
Sure.
How about the wrist now?
Oh, yeah, I can wiggle my wrist, too.
Good.
Sure.
Okay, the arm?
Yeah,
the
but,
arm?
well, yeah, sure, my arm is fine, Doc.
Okay.
But you see,
Well,
that's
keep
not
it
the...
okay, huh? How about the shoulder? Been throwing the old ball around too much, huh?
No,
Huh?
my shoulder's fine, Doc. But you see, that's not the reason that
All right,
I should...
now let's see. Twist your neck, Ernie.
My neck, like that? Twisting it like
fine.
that?
Okay, now let's see the eyes.
My eyes are fine, Doc.
Right
Actually, there's nothing
all
wrong
right.
with my eyes. You
Okay.
see, the reason
We'll
that
listen to your heart now, Ernie.
But Doctor,
Good. Okay,
But you see,
that
Doctor,
seems
the reason
fine.
that
now
that I
let's
really called
see
you
about your
over to-
ears, Ernie, and your nose.
My ears are okay.
Yeah,
Sure, my ears are
and
okay.
the nose.
My nose is fine.
Ernie,
Sure,
you're
Doctor.
in fine shape. Why'd you call me? I say you're in fine shape. Why'd you call me?
I called you because my friend Bert has a tummy ache. It's right this way.
Okay, Bert. Open your mouth.
V. What? V. What? Wow. Vacuum. No.
Cookie! Oh boy, cookie for me, huh? Yeah, thank you. Oh, you eating cookie? Cookie not for me. Oh, cookie for me. You put it on table for me. Oh, thank you. Oh, cookie not for me. Cookie for you. Oh, cookie for me. Oh boy, cookie. Get cookie on. Oh boy, you like cookie too? A chocolate cookie. You know what? You getting dressed all dirty. Give the cookie to me. Me no care if me fur get dirty. Oh, you still eating cookie, huh? Look delicious. Hey, got terrific idea. You eat cookie. When you finished, me give you a big kiss in the cookie off face, okay? No, huh? Hey, I tell you what, you come home with me, and we eat cookies all day. Got closet full of cookies. Yeah! Oh!
Oh, Big Bird, we're so glad to see you.
I'm so glad to be back.
Listen, why don't we go to Mr. Hooper's and celebrate? Yeah, you can tell us all about camp.
Oh, okay. But let me just put my things away and I'll be right with you, okay?
Okay, well, we'll meet you over there.
Oh, that's a good idea. See you at Mr. Looper's. Snuffy.
Oh,
Is that you?
it's me. Is it you, Bird?
Yes, Snuff.
The answer is bus.
What?
Remember the guessing game we played? The day you left for camp, I was supposed to guess how you were going to get there, and I did. The answer is bus.
You're right. You're right. You win.
I have one for you now, Bird.
Oh.
What is it that's good for friends to do when they haven't seen each other for a long time?
I think I know.
Oh.
They hug. A big hug. Oh,
You got it right, Bird.
Oh. Oh. And Snuff, look what you've done. You made a big sign for me and you spiffed the whole place up. It's great. Oh, Snuff, what a buddy.
Yeah.
This is the capital letter W. It's the first letter in the name Wilbur. Excuse me 1 minute, please. As I was saying, that's the capital letter W. Hey! a capital letter W. It's a real big letter.
Oh, the missus and I had a wonderful time.
All right, everybody, settle down. Come on now. Welcome to the weekly meeting of the National Association of W Lovers. We are gathered here today to pay tribute to that great letter, W, and the wondrous sound it makes. Ooh, isn't that lovely? Yeah, it makes the heart pound faster. All right, now, if you'll all turn to page 4 in the manual, we will sing the club song. All right, turn to page 4. That's it. All right, now, everybody ready? Here we go. I'll begin. You can join in later. Here we go. What is the letter we love? What sound are we extra fond of? It's not any trouble, you know it's a W when you hear woo, 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 woo. Without this fine letter, you couldn't say wash or witch, wax, or wiggle. My gosh. There wouldn't be wet, warm, or walrus. Oh, wow. There wouldn't be wood. Would there now? Without this great w sound, well, wink would be ink, and weak would be eek. Don't you see? Of course. A fine word like waffle would turn out just awful. Oh, W's grand as can be. All right, everybody. So what is the letter we love? The sound that we're extra fond of. It's not any trouble, you know it's a W when you hear whoop, 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 whoop. One more time. When you hear whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, wow, that was wonderful.
Three of these kids belong together. Three of these kids are kind of the same. But one of these kids is doing his own thing. Now it's time to play our game. Time to play our game. Which of these kids is doing his own thing? Come on, can you tell which one? Can you guess which kid is doing his own thing? Guess before my song is done. And now my song is done. Well, let's see, what do we got here? We got 4 kids, and 3 of them have umbrellas, and one of them doesn't. And if you guess that the one who is standing out there all by himself getting wet, if you guess that that's the one who's different in this picture, then you were right.
Hi, you know, I've got something I'm going to show. About a letter you should know. It starts up here and goes down there and right back up in the air. Then down you go and up again till I say whoa. Whoa! Okay, this neat letter is capital W. Now that you know it, it shouldn't trouble you. Now the capital W is a boss-looking letter. I can't think of another one better. Can you? You got 2 seconds.
Gibbon.
Yes, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, indeed. Now, may I please have a volunteer from the audience to perform in my first trick?
Hey, Mumpy, baby! Here I come, a volunteer. Hey, watch out, lady, I got to help Mumpy. Here I come. Oh, Mumpy, what can I do to help you?
Yeah, Yes, well, all right.
Yes.
Now, my first trick will be my amazing rhyming trick.
Oh, boy.
Do you know what a rhyme is?
No.
Well, a rhyme is when two words sound the same. I'll show you.
Oh,
now, you take a word, any word at all, and everything I take from my magic hat will rhyme with that word.
Okay. Let me think now. I'll pick knee.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right. All the things I pull from my hat today will rhyme with the word knee. For example, a la peanut butter sandwiches. Yes.
Oh, wow.
And there you have a key, which
Yeah.
does rhyme with knee.
Key and knee. That is terrific, Mumphy. Hey, do some more.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Again. Now I will pull something else out of my hat that rhymes with knee.
Yeah.
A la peanut butter sandwiches. Now, what is that? And remember, it rhymes with the word knee.
That is a tall thing. That is what it is. Hey, but I know it's a board.
No. A board doesn't rhyme with knee.
Of course not. It's a screwdriver.
It's a ski.
Oh, it's a ski. A ski it is. Yes, ski
Yes.
and knee. They
Away, little
rhyme.
ski.
Bye-bye, ski. That was very, very good.
Thank you so much.
Now do some more.
Okay, one more. Now, I will wave the magic wand. A la peanut butter sandwiches. Now then, what is it? And remember, again, it rhymes with knee.
Oh, let's see.
Thank you.
That I know. That's terrific, by the way, Mumpy. I know it is a bush. No, it's a twig.
No.
It's a shrub.
No, shrub.
It's
Those
a
things
marshmallow.
don't rhyme with knee.
What
this
is it?
is a tree.
It's a tree.
Yes.
Oh, very good, Mumpy.
Away,
Hey,
little tree.
tree and knee do rhyme. Hey, do it again.
Nope, I'm sorry. That's the end of the trick.
Oh, Mumpy. Hey, Mumpy.
Hmm?
You know, you do have something else in that hat that rhymes with knee.
I do? I wonder what that could be.
Me. Oh.
The letter V. The volcano. The letter V.
Wow, and then what did you do, Bird?
Well, it was really great, Snuffy. We learned how to swim, and I learned so well. Look, I won a swimming award.
Gosh.
Huh?
Wow.
Oh, it was wonderful.
I can imagine. Oh, Bird, do you think that next year maybe I could go to camp?
Oh, that would be wonderful. Yeah. Oh, we'll have to look into that. Because you know what else they had?
What?
They had all these...
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters V and W and by the number 5. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.